Oh, he goes really slow right there. Now he goes back. You really didn't get time.
It's pretty cool because you can do all this code and make them go really fast or make them do cool tricks.
Oh, yeah. I see. It's fun learning instead of learning like learn, which is everyone thinks that's boring. I think a lot of teachers should do this, honestly.
Getting these resources really has helped me to be more creative as a teacher and think of ways to use them and how to help my kids understand really challenging concepts.
We're using the same formula, speed equals distance divided by time.
Scientific concepts come to life in the hands of Kandis Torch's 5th graders at Willyard Elementary in Ravenna. In this lesson, the goal is to code the tracks with the optimal colors so that the tiny Ozobot will go as fast as possible. However, the larger objective is to see firsthand how speed is related to time and distance.
And then for nitro blues, it's blue, green, red, and you can see I have blue, green, red, make it go really fast. It turned around. I didn't even put a U-turn.
Stumbling blocks are part of the learning process.
Is that maybe something with the code?
Maybe. I might have messed it up. Or like it's not reading it correctly. Alright, let's try this again. 3, 2, 1, go. There we go.
Students collaborate in groups, coding spherobots with an app on the iPad to see Newton's law in action.
And the problem solving, I think really helping each other has really made me glad that I'm doing this, because one kid maybe who struggles academically on tests is excelling in creating codes for these robots.
He was just traveling by himself.
So there's a couple of things I always try to think of. Is one, how can we use it to gather information and learn the standards, the information the kids need to know, like Newton's law, and then how can we use it to show our understanding, and also trying to find, like with our robots, how to use it to get the kids hands-on with it and using it not just to create a PowerPoint or to create a Google Doc of something, to really develop their understanding of it and see it in action.
3, 2, 1. You can touch things and look at things and just discover more things with technology.
It's about that. And then
But she's really getting, 5, 6, 7 new things a year because she's put the time in basically after hours to get that stuff done. So she researches the project, the resources, does the writing of the project on the website.
Using a site called Donors Choose, contributors from all over the country can provide funds for Mrs. Torch's robot-based projects, as well as even more basic supplies. More than half of her students are from low-income families.
Even things like markers or glue sticks are things that we've asked for, getting projects funded. Those simple basic supplies are things that some of our kids need help with getting, that their families aren't able to provide for them. So Donors Choose makes it possible to get even the most basic necessities for our class.
this is the best class. That's my opinion. Because like you can do like all the stuff. It's usually just like fun anytime you come to this classroom. It's like we're doing different things almost every day.
Every day it's questions. Are we using the robots? Are we using them today? Are we using them tomorrow? I think it's really helped them want to come to class more too, so they don't want to miss school because they want to be here for everything that we're doing. And if they're absent a day, we're using the robots, and they're so disappointed the next day when they find out that they missed that chance to use them. So yeah, definitely excitement in class for them. And they're learning, so it's fun for them, but they're still learning, so it's really great.